The simple moving average or SMA, is one of the simplest of all technical indicators. It is used to determine a trend direction. If the SMA is moving up, the trend is up. If the SMA is moving down, the trend is down. The period of this moving average determines the longevity of the trend. In this example, we are logged into the charting application and the Dow Jones Industrial Average is selected as the price study. We are going to add an SMA line to the chart using the Technical Indicators and Data section to the right of the chart. Click the SMA checkbox. You will see the technical indicator gets added to the chart. The default setting is a red line for a 5-day SMA. We are going to change this to a 20-day SMA with a purple color. We will now open the SMA options by clicking the Technical Indicators option box for the SMA. This is a button with 3 dots in the center as shown. The SMA dialog opens. You will see you are free to add up to 5 SMA lines on the price chart. Remove the 5-day period SMA using the checkbox. Go to the 20-day SMA checkbox and switch it on. Open the color picker for this line. Select a purple color and when you are done save it. Finally, click the Save button on the dialog box to save the changes back to the price chart. You will now see a purple line for the 20-day SMA. We are now going to add a second, faster SMA, of period 7 to the chart. Open the SMA options dialog box. Select to add the 5-day SMA. Use the slider to slide this to 7 days. Alternatively, you could type the number, 7, in the box. If you make a mistake it is highlighted to show any errors. Use the color picker to select a light blue color. Save the settings back to the chart. You will now see the 7 and 20-day SMA lines on the chart. Their values automatically update as you scroll around the application. We are going to use some other tools to annotate this chart to illustrate how the SMA can be used to generate trading signals. On the charting toolbar click to add a label. When you scroll back over the chart you will see the label box following your cursor. Place the label just below where the 7-day SMA crosses above the 20-day SMA. The label editor opens next to it. Change the stroke color of the box to black. Change the fill color of the label to a light gray. Enter text into the label editor. When you are done click to save your settings back to the chart.